Hi guys, welcome to the Derived channel. So in today's video I'm going to give you guys some strategy which is very effective, and it's a great strategy with 99.9% accuracy that you can use to scalp and then catch spike in the market, guys. This strategy is very effective and you can use it both on boom and crash, guys. Now before we dive into the strategy, I do like you guys to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also guys turn on the notification bell so anytime I post new strategy, you guys will be aware. Now let's drive the strategy, guys. Now before driving the strategy, I do like you guys to tell you guys the zoom level before telling you guys the strategy. As you can see here, I have zoomed out completely. Just zoom in two times. As you can see here, just zoom in 2 times. 1 2 1 2. Just zoom in 2 times, and then you go to go, guys. Let me do the same level once again, guys. You can see here this 2 times. Just zoom in 2 times, and then you go to go. Now this is how you can use strategy to scalp in the market and also to catch back. As you can see, we have already have our levelized here. We already have our levels right here. Let me first tell you guys the settings for the strategy before telling you guys how you can make use of the strategy. Now just click on the F icon at the top right here. Click on the F icon and then do what? Let me first delete everything else. My factor is always there, as you all know, guys. Now just click on the F icon at the top, click on the main chart, F plus, then add your relative strength index. This relative strength index is a great indicator and it's very accuracy. Now this is the parameters for the relative strength index, guys. This is the parameter for the relative strength index. Just do the screenshots not to waste our time. Then click on the levels. These levels, guys. Now these levels is just 10, 20, 30 and 70, 80, 90, guys. After you do that, just click on done. Then you see your relative strength index right here, guys. And this is the relative strength index line. Now the next indicator we are going to be adding is our MACD. It's our MACD, guys. Just add your MACD. Then this is the parameters for the MACD. This is the parameter for the MACD. The MACD asks no levels. After you do that, just click on that, then go back, guys. And you can see here we have already made some money in the market, which we use the strategy to catch your spike already. As you can see here, we are running into a $4 profit, which is very grateful, and it's a powerful strategy, guys. You can see I'm not telling you guys what I don't know, I'm telling you guys what I don't do. So I'll tell you guys how effective strategy is and how you guys can make use of the strategy. I do like closing this trade so that we can concentrate on the strategy, guys. Now let us do close our trade. Well, before me closing the trade, I do like to show you guys some things here. Then why did I enter the market? With the strategy, guys? Why did I enter the market? The first thing is the confirmation I see in the indicators, and the second thing is the confirmation I see which is on the main chart. Now this is how you guys can make use of strategies. This is how you guys can use of strategy. After telling you guys the zoom level, as you already know the zoom level, now the next thing you are going to do is if you want to scalp. Now let us talk about how you can scalp in the market. Now the first thing, if you want to scalp, you will wait for the MACD to reach your 20 levels. And after reaching 20 levels, you will see the MACD line, which is the red one, crossing over the volume of the MACD, closing over the volume of the MACD, showing you guys that the market is coming to the top side, and also the relative strength index is also touching the 20 levels or 30 levels at the same time, and the MACD volume is also at 20 or 30 levels, and the MACD line is crossing over each other, showing you guys that the market is trending to the top side, guys. Now how you guys can make your strategy so now before I forget, now once you see the setup in the market, once you see the setup like this, the MACD volume reaches 10 levels and the 20 levels, and the line of the MACD is crossing over each other. Now guys, sometimes the market might still spiking after reaching the levels right here. Now what do you need to do? What do you need to do? So that you have the confirmation to enter the trade. Now go to your F icon once again. Go to your F icon. So now the next thing, you go to your main chart and add your moving average. After adding your moving average, you can see this parameter. Just click on done, guys. You can see here the parameter line is too wide. So let's use it. And I don't want to give you guys, so that you guys won't lose any trade with strategy. You won't lose any trade with the strategy. Now this is what we are going to wait for. Sorry guys, I just want to make the moving average so clean. So I'll be using the 5 lines. It's a little bit okay, but I do use 10 normally. But okay, let's use the 10, because I also use the 10 normally to enter the trade of my. So now as you can see here, now you can see the market reaching the 10 levels, and the MACD as well, volume reaching the 10 levels, and the MACD lines reaching over the winner is reaching the 30 levels. And also, after you see all your confirmation have been met on the indicator, then you look on the main chart, look at the moving average. Are they crossing over? Are the moving average crossing over the chart, showing you guys that the market is trending to the top side. And after you see this confirmation, just take your entry, take 5 to 10 candles and leave the market. Now this how are you guys going to TP in the market? Now if you can see here, let's say now you open your trade at this right candle right here, with this candle right here, and then you take your entry. Now this is where you are going to close your trade. To close your trade when the market is reaching the next support area, which some spike occur. You can see this spike occur right here. So you take your profit, let's say 3 candles before the market reaching the next support area, then you close your trade. Guys. Don't be greedy, guys. Don't be greedy. That's how you guys can use your strategy to scalp in the market. Now the next thing is how you guys to make use of the strategy to scalp spike in the market. Now if you want to be using strategy to scalp spike, you don't need the moving average. You only need the moving average to scalp. I do this video for you guys, and then I make use of strategy for you guys, so that you guys can be using to scalp and also to catch spike in the market. Now if you are a scalper in the market, just add your indicator and then using the strategy to scalp. And if you are a spike catching, don't need any moving average, just do just follow what I'm about to tell you guys. Now this is how you guys can use the strategy to catch spike in the market. Now you can see here, let's use this area right here. Now let's say the market reaching the 10 levels, and then start trending to the top side. As you can see here, the MACD volume changing. And then after the MACD volume change, then the MACD volume start reaching the 70, 80 levels, and then after reaching the 90 levels, the market starts spiking to the downside. Now this is confirmation. This is before you can make strategy to catch spike in the market. Now you wait for this volume of the MACD to reach the either 70, 80 or 90 levels, and also the daily trend line, which is the white one, also reaching the 70 to 80 levels as well. And then sometimes the market might reach in this area and still trending to the south side. Now, what are the confirmation you now need to see before taking any entry after this indicator confirmation is confirmed? Now, the next thing is you have to wait for the market to be reaching the next support area, which is where the market consolidating. Let's say the market is this is the support area for the market, and this is the next support area for the market. Now the MACD is reaching the 80 levels right here. You can see here right here, reaching the 80 levels. You can see down here and down here, reaching the 80 levels. I see trending to the top side. Now after you see the market reaching the next support area, resistance area, guys. Resistance area. After the market reaching the next resistance area, and it is the 70, 80 or 90 levels, then you take entry. You go for short. You catch spike in the market As you can see, the market didn't spike right here, and then before reaching this next support here, the market will start spiking. The market starts spiking. That's how you guys can use your strategy to catch spike in the market. That's how you guys can use your strategy to catch some spike in the markets. Just wait for the market and the trend rate to reach the 80 and 90 levels, and also the market reaching the next resistance area. Then you decide to enter the market, guys. You decide to enter the market. Not to make this video long. That's how you guys can use of the strategy. Now, let me show you guys how you can use it on boom. Let me show you how you can use it on boom, guys. Let me show you guys can use it on boom. Now, as we all know, the boom is the opposite side, guys. The boom is the opposite side, and the thing is that if you want to make use of strategy effectively, you have to be patient, guys. You have to be patient. Now, this is guys. Now, we wait for the market to reaching the 90, 80 or 70 levels, and the moving average line is crossing over each other, and the daily trend line is what reaching the 70 or 80 levels. Then the market is not on the resistance area. It's not on the resistance area. Now you do what? The next thing you're going to do is you add your moving average. Then after adding your moving average, you can see also your moving average is crossing over the chart right here, crossing over the chart. Then you go for short, and the TP when the market is almost reaching the next support area, then your TP, you can see the market reaching the support area before striking to the top side. You can see if you take your entry and close the market right here, then you have already run into massive profits, guys. Just how you guys can use your strategy, and if you want to use it to crash spike, you don't need any moving average. Just wait for the market to reach in the 30, 20 or 10 levels, and the daily trend line is reaching the same levels as well, and the market is reaching the support area. Then you go for long, and then you can also spike in the market. That's how you guys can make use of strategy effectively, guys. Now, if you find this video helpful and find the strategy helpful, guys, don't just do me a favor, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video, and also, guys, turn on notification bell so anytime I post a strategy, you guys will be having. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next video.